Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this KEF Q50a Dolby Atmos speakers. And before doing the unboxing, I will show you the specs of these speakers. Okay, now we are ready to do the unboxing. So this is well packaged. You can see the when you open this one, there's a very nice protection. And here's the manual, and it comes with the like a button rubber for the footing of the speakers. Okay. So the shape of this type is exactly the same, match with the speaker, so it is holding it properly. And here are the speaker grills. Okay. I have two briefs there. Then here is the speaker. Let's open this one. Yep, here it goes. Very nice looking speaker, and it is coaxial or concentric, so the tweeter and the mid-range or woofer is at the same center. And also here you can see a very nice or high quality speaker terminal. There's also a option for a wall mount. See here. Try to open the other one. Okay, so really nice speaker. So also it is a silk type and very nice finish. So I'll try to install it with my existing home theater. And now you can see here, I put the grill on top. So this is a magnetic type grill, so we don't have any holes there. So easy to install. Then let's have a try.